All right, guys, so today I am going to read Dragonflies to you again for shared reading. When we are done with this, we are going to do a little activity, all right? So I know I read through this story yesterday, but I'm just going to read it to you one more time so you can get a lot of dragonfly facts in your brain, okay? And then from here on out, I won't read you the whole story every day. You will just have activities to do. All right, so like I promised, here is kind of the glossary in this book. I put it at the beginning of the slide so we can go over these words before we read the story today. All right, so the first word is molt. Okay, and to molt means shed old covering and grow a new one. See through means transparent, which I think you guys know what that means. Nymph is an immature insect with incompletely developed wings. So its wings are not ready yet. Shiver means to shake slightly. Zigzag is a series of short, sharp turns in a course. You guys know what that means. Thorax is the middle part of an insect. Monstrous means huge or gigantic. Clasper is a part of a male dragonfly used to grasp a girl dragonfly. Antenna is a pair, so two, slender, movable sensory organs on the head of a dragonfly. And a claw is a pincher-like organ of a female dragonfly. All right, what are dragonflies? Dragonflies are flying insects. They got their name because they look like small winged dragons with big eyes and monstrous jaws. They have long, thin bodies and two pairs of wings. Their bodies can be blue, green, or red. What do they look like? Dragonflies have three main parts: the head, the thorax, and the abdomen. The head includes the eyes, mouth, and antenna. Dragonflies use their two large eyes and antennae to locate prey. When they catch their prey, they use the sharp jaws inside their mouths to grind food. The large thorax is filled with muscles used to power the wings. Attached to the thorax are 6 long legs and 2 pairs of see-through wings. Dragonflies use their legs for perching and catching food. The dragonfly's abdomen is long, narrow, and often brightly colored. It holds the heart, breathing system, and digestive parts. Males have big claspers at the end of their abdomen, while females have delicate little claws. And here is the diagram that we talked about yesterday. Where do they live? Dragonflies live in most parts of the world where there is water, warm weather, and plenty of food. They live near streams, ponds, rivers, lakes, and even waterfalls. They can also live in rainforests. How long do they live? Most dragonfly nymphs live in the water for a few years while they grow. When they mature into adult dragonflies, they live for only a few months. Adult dragonflies are food for the birds and frogs. These predators catch the dragonflies when they are laying eggs or when they are molting. And he says, "Hello, world. I just came out of my casing. This is still me, but version 2.0. What do they eat? Young dragonflies called nymphs eat larvae of other insects, such as mosquitoes. As they grow bigger, they feed on tadpoles and small fish. On the other hand, adult dragonflies feed on adult insects, such as mosquitoes and butterflies. They eat their victims in flight. What do they do? Young dragonflies swim. They swim around water plants to search for food. Adult dragonflies fly. They can fly in a zigzag pattern. They also can fly backward. Dragonflies make sounds. They make rustling sounds when flying. How do they grow? Dragonflies pass through 3 stages in their lives. The stages are the egg, the nymph, and the adult dragonfly. And here's the picture. The egg turns into the nymph, the adult, back to the egg. Female dragonflies lay eggs in the water or on the stems of plants that grow near the water. The eggs hatch into nymphs after about 4 weeks. The nymphs then live in the water. They eat mosquito larvae to grow. They have special jaws that shoot out from their mouths to grab food. And that is a picture of a female dragonfly laying eggs near the water. And the bottom picture is a dragonfly nymph. As the nymph grows, it molts or sheds its skin numerous times. When it is ready to change, it climbs out of the water and onto a stem or rock. It hangs tight and molts for the last time. Its dry skin splits along the back, and a winged adult dragonfly pulls out its body. It is still soft and weak, so it rests while its body becomes dry and hard. Before flying, it shakes and shivers to warm up the muscles in its wings. All right, you guys, so that is the story.